we've just acquired, it's very rare, Audi S4, it's 3 litre V6 turbo S4 quattro 4-wheel drive. It's in very good condition considering its age and mileage. We have thoroughly checked mechanically out and it's great condition. We have an invoice for a reconditioned gearbox, very recently done, which still carries a warranty on it. As you can see, it's got upgraded alloy wheels, privacy glass, twin exhaust, it's a sports exhaust. It's got an upgraded air filter and other ancillary items. The originals are still in there, which come with the car. Full S4 embossed leather seats. It has got a lot of extras on it. So, got paddle shift on the gearbox. It's got satellite navigation. It's got heated seats, climate control, multimedia pack. Side, there's hardly anywhere at all. The car doesn't look like it's age or mileage at all, and absolutely drives superb. Well, better let you listen to it at night. Hang on, just start it up. At DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.